There are two different directions in love. The first one takes you to someone you truly love, and the second one takes you to someone who truly loves you. But the direction to someone you love is full of risk compared to the one who truly loves you. Going for someone you love is not bad, but too risky, as you are likely to fall in love with someone who doesn't love you at all, or who is pretending to love you, and there is no guarantee that the person you love loves you or will love you in return. I want to say this. We often become victims of our choices. We are victims of how we choose, and we are victims of what we choose. We are likely to choose wrong people because we love them and reject others. Even if they truly love us, even if they prove their love for us, we still reject them. We often go after those we love, not those who love or who truly love us. Going for someone who truly loves you is better and less risky. It gives you peace of mind, stress-free life, and freedom. We are not careful enough when we choose our partners. It's up to you. Your choice is yours. You choose the one who truly loves you, or you choose the one you love, and then all the choices are. But we need to choose very carefully. We need to choose wisely.